Today, our video is related to medicine, for which you will find many videos on YouTube, but the information provided in those videos is somewhat not accurate. The medicine, which we are talking about is betnovate-n cream. Before we get to this medicine, we want to inform, please do not use this medicine for the purpose of skin whitening or pigmentation, because it will harm your skin more, rather than doing good. If you want something for skin whitening or hyperpigmentation, then go for creams containing kojic acid, or else prescribed by dermatologist. Regarding betnovate-n cream, we will give all the information related to its proper use, side effects and how to apply on skin. So stick around, and do like and subscribe the channel. Betnovate-n cream contains two main ingredients, betamethasone and neomycin. Both plays different roles, which we will explain now. Betamethasone belongs to the class of corticosteroids that reduces redness, swollen, and itchiness of the skin. Thereby treats inflammation and itchiness caused by skin infections. While neomycin is an antibiotic, used to treat various bacterial skin infections. Now let's see medical benefits of betnovate-n cream. Betnovate-n cream treats various bacterial skin infections, such as eczema, which is inflamed, itchy, cracked and rough skin patches. Psoriasis, in which skin cells multiply rapidly to form bumpy, red patches covered with white scales. Dermatitis, that is itchy inflammation of the skin. Insect bites. Seborrheic dermatitis, that is scaly patches and red skin mainly on the scalp. Prickly heat. Lichen simplex. Contact dermatitis. Prurigo, which is intensely itchy spots. In all conditions, use under doctor recommendation. Now let's see how to apply this cream. Apply thin layer of betnovate-n cream with clean and dry hands on the affected areas of the skin, 1 to 2 times in a day, or as prescribed by doctor. You can also apply it with a piece of clean cotton wool or gauze swab as well. Gently rub the medicine into the skin until it is disappeared. Wash your hands before and after applying the cream. You might feel the following side effects while using betnovate-n cream. Itching, dryness, localized pain on the skin, burning sensation at the application site. Do not apply this cream on wound, damaged or broken skin. Also, it cannot remove scars on the skin, since it does not have skin lightening properties. Also, if you are using for face pimples, always consult your dermatologist first. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.